why the API is being for inference?
Good question. The person that is API calling for the inference from it. Yeah.
This is on replicate?
This is on replicate, yeah. There's also like FAL and a few others, but replicate gets a lot of volume, so it failed.
So is that the biggest pain point?
We'll see why. But
I mean, so why not just have a direct connection between like Hugging Face models and replicate and whatever is
like a direct connection?
Like people provide models from Hugging Face, right?
Yeah.
Why not just by default post of a bunch of them on replicate or all of replicate?
Exactly, I totally agree. But the thing is, right, when people deploy to Hugging Face, try running it. You know, Hugging Face says, run this model like this, try it, it won't work. 90% of the times it doesn't work. Like if it's integrated with the transformers, their flagship library, yeah, it'll work. But if it's not like custom transformers in, it's probably not gonna work. You gotta run in Colab first, you gotta make changes. So that's the big issue. If someone solved that problem, that's another huge problem to solve.
Have you tried RunPod yet? Have you heard of them?
I might have tried it, but again, it's a lot like Modal or.
So I've been on their email list for a few months. I haven't actually tried them out yet, but I'm reading through their website. They say they have like no cold start time. So it seems like you can get up and running pretty quick.
So it seems like then I would be paying a lot more. That sounds like it's on the bond.
But RunPod is permanent instances, like you have to start the instances and stop them yourself. I don't know if they support like just hosting models like this where you're only paying for API inference.
So that's the huge issue, right? You don't want to be paying $5 an hour for an A100. Like
yeah, so it seems like there would be a way where they could run the A100 like constantly and let people share it, and then like spin up more or shut down more.
Exactly. That's exactly what Replicate does. Yeah, that's exactly what Replicate does.
Okay.
So why is there a boot up?
Yeah, why is there a boot up time then?
Because it's not. So how do they save cost, right?
It's a queue.
When it's not used, they turn it off. When people start to request it, they boot it up. They keep it alive for an extra minute and a half, and then they shut it back off. But if your model starts to get a lot of use, you put it out there, then it'll be warm, and then you're paying like 1/20th of the cost, and the response time is usually good. Because it's the boot time that really costs you, not the queue, not the waiting for inference.
What's the typical boot time then if it's not like a hot app, right?
I would say like a minute.
A minute.
You can do some things to improve it, but GPUs are not really optimized for that load throughput, the memory throughput on the load, which I think we will see more of that in the future, but we don't see it right now.
I mean, it really seems like there should be a way to keep like one or two in reserve, you know, and then once
Exactly.
the ninth one is being used.
Once per minute.
Exactly. So what I've done, I set up cron jobs to ping replicate every 5 minutes to keep my models running.
Oh.
And I'm paying way less. Yeah, for sure.
Sure.
And that works well. She wrote that script actually. And oh wait, yeah, there was one more interesting topic that someone just mentioned.
Do you know what they use underneath the hood?
I'm sure there's just an algorithm that's like, all right, spin it up when someone requests, take it down after a minute and a half, and then like a high level like resource sharing algorithm. One interesting thing, a lot of these really common models, you can just fine tune, like obviously a LoRa, and then they do hot swapping. So they keep this one base, like GPU running with the base on it, and then at call time, passing your LoRa, and it does inference immediately, as though it's yours custom, only with the Q lag, which is very minimal. And that's called hot swapping. Also very cool. So in this room, it's like very few of us want to pay, $6 an hour for a GPU. These are the options, like hot swapping, sharing with others. Yeah, there's really not many others. Any other recommendations on that? How to get lower inference costs?
Yeah, I have a recommendation, but it's
Unethical.
It's not unethical. It's more like you have to have like like just like how we use carpooling, right? You can use pooling as an option, and you can run the inference. Someone can manage it just like replicate.
And if you can schedule, like if you're doing a large training job, you can
Yeah.
schedule a week or two in advance, you can get really cheap costs, 1/5.
Yeah.
But if you want to host for users, right, that doesn't work.
Yeah.
At higher levels, there's like GPU slicing, LLM, and there's frameworks that can do scheduling and sharing across GPUs and stuff like that. That doesn't help you for like finding product market fit. That's where you found it, now you stay on work.
Yeah, and that's something that you think, Replicate would likely be using.
Probably, yeah, probably so.
If you're using a slow model, you can use Google Colab.
You can use which?
Google Colab?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was running this on now.
Yeah.
At the free version, it's 16 gigabytes of RAM max, I think. but Pro's $10 a month, you get, 40 gig, but still often that's not enough these days for good inference. Yeah.
So there's an open source called NVIDIA Triton Inference Server. I don't know if you have used that. So dimension pooling. So that has automatic load balancing, automatic scaling, automatic GPU like hot swapping, all built in.
Yeah, that's neat. That's neat.
And it's an open source, so you can modify it.
It seems like it still comes with that. You've got to have a GPU.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to do it all. Someone has to do it, and then you can probably be on the replication.
Yeah.
There's the sunk cost for hard metal, and then you're not getting.
Exactly. Anyone know how much like an A100 is these days?
It's a lot. 10 grand, 20 grand? No,
Yeah,
something
I
like
think
that.
I saw like
Oh,
10.
yeah.
I'm not thinking of buying one, but like, should I be paying 10 grand? It's expensive, right? And then, yeah. But yeah, as far as takeaways from this, it's just like, man, huge alpha in just using AI to edit your data sets, redeploy, reeval, edit again. Like, I'm sure OpenAI, all these guys are doing that. And I think the results are insanely good. But like, I think you need a human in the loop for most things, for sure. Especially with like, outliers or just like high level. But yeah, that would be a beautiful thing to see. Anything to add? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I see a lot of new faces. Welcome. And yeah, it's now just networking, and we need to get out of the room at least by 7:30 p.m. So
Can we use the open space or just the room?
just over here, I don't know if we can use the open space because yeah, I just put this room so they I have to just make some cleanup after. Yeah, so like you can go right this way. I tried That's great.
The main part of this, the main thing that AI is most different types of roles. Our our data. That's where my automation is. So it's just the
Yeah, yeah.
I do like actual engineering. So that's really any data. Just talk to a interface and that gives me expertise. So we look at it that way. But it's not very generic. That's just like a But I see for most of the white collar I think the classification method might be interesting. But it's types of data, very different from like
Market validation. Anyone, market validation?
So
It's still also, kind of like a full-time